Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can mark everything as read on Discord mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Discord application on my mobile phone, and we can choose a personal chat, or we can also choose server on our Discord. And I'm going to select server. For example, I'm going to select this server. We can tap and hold on the server that we want to mark as read, and we just need to click on mark as read. And if you want to mark as read on your personal chat, you just need to select your personal chat on Discord. I'm going to select this personal chat in my direct messages. We can tap and hold on it, then we can click on mark as read. That's so easy, right? Okay guys, and that's how we can mark everything as read on Discord. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!